I know that it's the first time that you're cutting your hair, but you will get there. So the first thing, you'll need a comb, a mirror, 2 mirrors, and a clipper. You will need 2, but for now, let's think about this. Just imagine that there's 3 lines there. So I start with the first line, which I call the base. So just imagine that I'm dividing the head in 2 parts. So it's almost like you are drawing. Okay, so I'm just dividing it in this way. And you can notice that the similarity of drawing is pretty much the same. And you can see that other artists, when they are cutting hair, they're doing like different style because it just looks like drawing. So for example, when you see artists, when they are drawing, they start with, just imagine this is my head right now. Okay, so I just start drawing this side and I'll start drawing the other side. But what they are doing, they start with this side and they copy this other side. So the same thing when you're cutting your hair, you start with one side, and what you can see even when barbers are cutting hair, they start with one side and then they shift to the other side and then they copy the other side just to make it look in the same way. So for the first time, I just want you to just have a good relationship with the 2 mirrors, and then just imagine your head dividing in 2 parts. What I'm doing, I constantly check one side and I just keep on going, cutting the other side as well. I constantly check the other side and then I cut it like that. So after cutting that part, you just clean all the remaining hair that is on the bottom there. And then yeah, for now that's it. So I'll do other videos as well, just to teach you everything step by step. See you the next time, and have a nice day.